TomTom 1005 LCD screen replacement. To replace this screen you need a Torx T5 and a pry tool plus an LCD screen. To start replacing the screen, all you need to do is to locate the two hidden screws which are located under the labels. So peel off the label from a corner, lift up, and you will see that there is a screw underneath. Take it off. Do the same on this side. Now to separate the screen, just find the space between the frame and the body. Pry the tool, put the tool inside gently. Don't go too deep because you may damage the LCD screen, and just go around the frame gently. Do the same on the opposite side. Be careful because here is the connector, so if you go too deep you may damage the LCD screen connector. If you look inside, the LCD screen is bonded to the metal shield with some double-sided tape, so gently push the ribbon on the back to make it loose and disconnect the LCD screen by lifting up the connector, and try to take the microphone out from his socket, and after gently take them apart. Now, in case you want to replace the complete screen, you just need to find one that is the same. On this model there are two different touch screens. The LCD screen, both they are the same, but the touch screen can be different. There are two different versions, so when you are purchasing an LCD screen, be sure that you purchase the exact same touchscreen version. Now, to replace the complete screen, you need to take the microphone out and just install it on the new LCD screen. It's very easy to put it back because you have a shape, and gently press so he can go back in the place. Now, to put it back, just slide it in the microphone, slide it in back. Hold the ribbon with one hand over the connector and push gently. You need to hear like a click, so you know it's back in place. Start from the top and push to close it all around. Okay. Put the screws back. And this is done. In case you want to change just the touchscreen, you can do that as well. You just need a Phillips screwdriver. Take these screws off. One, two, lift up the flap that is closing, is on the flex, and slide it out. So slide out. Use some pry tool to take it off from the shield. Push it on the back. You can cut this flex here, here, and here. And you can take the LCD screen out. You can start, if you want, from the bottom. There are two clips, one which will make the screen to come off easily. Okay, hold the touchscreen down, lift it up a bit and slide back, and this is how you separate the LCD screen from the touchscreen. Okay, in case you need any TomTom parts, we will have a link in the description, and if you want to purchase, you can have, or if not, you can try on eBay as well. Thanks for watching.